What's up, everybody? Yesterday was great content. I loved it, loved it. Not what we planned for. Things went a little sideways thanks to LT, but I still loved it. We had to adapt, overcome, but at the end of the day, we're still cruising around an actual rally course. For the whole story, catch Truck Tech on the History Channel.
All right, so we got the truck all done, the shop's cleaned up, so we're gonna get this thing out on the road, into the dirt, and you guys get to come along for the ride.
It's rolling.
Yeah, a little red light's blinking.
Did people really do that? Did you guys really ever take a radio like in your pocket to the store?
Oh, CD? No.
Is that how? That's how you got the CD?
I mean, some of them are like that, but not this one.
But really, like,
Solely so you hear movement.
did anyone ever go inside of a store and take their radio faceplate with it? Like, I mean, come on.
Where are you going, Neil? That's our good buddy Neil.
One last thing we gotta do before we hit the track. Thinking what I'm thinking? Fuel up, let's fuel up.
I'm down. Let's do it. Liquid sunshine. I love me some caffeine.
No, we love some caffeine.
Yeah, the wiggles. Hey, this week on Truck Tech? Oh, I thought you
We're at Hollytree Offroad.
Oh, I thought you were coming in. Hey, this week on Truck Tech,
We're at Hollytree Offroad with Project Red Tide.
we're gonna do some slinging, some sliding, and some down and dirty riding.
Where'd you come up with that?
Rallycross is a subdivision of the SCCA. It is severely addicting. Cars run one at a time, and all the times are cumulative, just as you'd have in a stage rally. So people can come out and do this, like an autocross, on a weekend and have a great time.
Our truck, I really don't know what to expect. What do you think?
Let's hope we're under 100.
Go! Through the mud, through the cone, round the circle, then hit the cone. All right, well, that was supposed to be an easy lap, and we didn't really take it super easy, but it looks like we did a 71.9.
I don't even think you hit a cone, which I don't know how you did.
We'll have to double check. I think we got one towards the end, but I am hooked. We are gonna build another rally truck in the future. 69.9. That looks like a blast. I don't know, man. It felt a little wiggly.
Not there yet, buddy. 70.27. You got some work to
70.2.
do.
We'll work on it.
So the question is gonna come up. Where the heck did this blue Subaru come from, and what happened to Project Red Tide? Well, we started out the day in our red all-wheel drive truck. They said, take it easy at first. Get a feel for the truck and get a feel for the track, and then you can go crazy later on. Well, I got behind the wheel and decided, you know what? We're gonna go nuts right out of the gate. So we put it to the floor.
We didn't expect it to go down that early. We actually didn't even plan for it to go down at all.
As it turns out, we broke it. I broke it.
Oh, he slowed way down. And they're out of the truck. Not sure what's wrong.
We pulled over halfway through the lap. We took a look underneath the hood, and it turns out one of the CV axles that's on the passenger side of the truck actually kind of broke. So we're gonna look and see if maybe there's some way we can patch this thing together and keep having some fun, but sometimes you break, sometimes you have fun.
Just a little clunkety clank here and there. We could have wrapped up right then, right there, went home and our hearts a little lower, but nope, no way.
So we started out the day in a bright red V8 powered lowered pickup.
And thankfully, the Subaru King of Alabama was there. Bought his 02 WRX. First time this dude's ever gotten one of those. Cruise that thing around.
And we were able to salvage the chute. Say, LT, you're gonna own this day. Perseverance is key.
All right, Austin, so I have to admit, I did get a little bit more seat time than you today.
A little
But
bit.
you did really good for only having 2 runs. But come on, go ahead and tell them what was my best time.
68.3.
But you know what? It's all in good fun. We had a blast today. I do wish Project Red Tide would have stood up just a little bit better, but that's okay. It's a pretty minor fix. But we have to give a special thanks to the guys from Persaud Parts in Athens, Alabama for loaning us this 02 WRX that we beat on for the afternoon.
Yeah, they helped us out a bunch. And for more information on today's show, visit PowerNationTV.com. And since you won, maybe you fix it.
Hey, I got some wrenches.
Let us know what you think in the comments.
Maybe give us some ideas of where you'd like.
Ideas on going forward, baby. What you like to see next? All right, that's it from us. Don't forget, leave us some comments, especially if you have anything you want to see coming up. Subscribe, smash that like button, and we'll see you next week.